Guys, okay, so this was the package that I was expecting to come, and yes, a few more little mini goodies. The shell that I was talking about, guys, that I had in white, I wanted it in black because it looked absolutely awesome. That's one that's here. There's a few other little bits and bobs that you guys haven't seen as well, so I'm just gonna unbox these and you guys can have a wee look at it. So let me get these things out of the way and we'll unbox the first one. Okay, so well packaged. Been a mission to get this out, and let's take a look at this bad boy. Another one, guys. These beautiful cars that come, that Minis are releasing, they shouldn't be doing this. Not good for my little heart. Not good for my bank balance either. So okay, you may have seen this before. Obviously, you know there's an Audi R8 that's out there, and this is the black and red version, guys. And I just think this looks amazing. I've got the white and red one, but yo, this one has smashed it totally. So take a look at that. I will be taking it out, guys, so don't worry if there's a bit of glare on it here. I'll get you guys to have a good look at it. The back. Okay, so just put that to one side and I will put it on that display stand and we'll be able to see it in a minute. Just a few other things. There's some old shells, guys, that I've never really kind of shown before. So this is the, I think it's the FX, the Ferrari FXX. It's a bit of a used shell, but I liked this because of the wheels. The wheels were absolutely amazing on this. You can't really get funky Mini Z wheels, but I don't know if you can see in there. These wheels have got a nice little red bead that runs through them, which is pretty different because the normal Kyosho ones don't have anything like that. It's nice. 5-spoke wheel. Kind of cool. So I can put that on a lot of things. I usually just shop and change stuff. I don't like my stuff being stock, so I tend to put different things onto the cars to make it look a little bit different, and hopefully if I shoot more vids. And then obviously got the wheels for the Porsche LMS, and then there's a few of the chrome wheel sets that are in there. Nothing amazing. They need to actually do more with the wheels. The Kyosho guys, if you're listening, you do more with the wheels. Alright, 110 scale has an amazing variety of wheels. You can put loads of stuff. You know, you can mod your cars to your own suitings, but you're kind of limited with Mini Zs, and especially with the all-wheel drive versions. There's nothing really happening in them. So yeah, there's just a few wheels there. Some little bits and bobs that'll come as a spare. This is the Porsche shell, which I don't really have these, but it was kind of cheap, so but yeah, why not? Okay, the birds are making loads of racket outside. I shall put that down there and you can have a look at. So this is the, I've never had an atomic body shell, so this is kind of funky. This, look at that. And that's obviously made for racing, with them funky white deep dish beetles, atomic logo on the back. Yeah, kind of funky, man. I've never really had one like that, and it's quite thick, the shell itself, you know, compared to normal flimsy shells that we have. And this is a wide car. I don't think I've ever had a car wider than this one here. It's really wide. Wheelbase isn't that long, but it's wide. Obviously it's got an upgraded motor mount, ball diff, show bearings, alloy wheel nuts, and a dampener kit. And the springs look a little bit different. But yeah, so I've never really had anything like that before. That was quite interesting. So let's put, oh yeah, and they came with all these running on 2.4 gigahertz, and all my remotes, except for one, are all the same colour, so that was nice having a grey one, which is like the mini motorcycle one. So yeah, so that's, they're not bad boys, but we need to see that, guys. Have a look at that. Have a look at this one on the display stand. It looks amazing. I need to make some videos with that old bad boy. Okay, guys. So here it is. This is the little beauty. So this is the Audi RS LMS 2015 black and red version. Doesn't that just look amazing? Wow. I just really want to make a video with that one. With a nice light kit in that. That would look totally awesome. The white and red one was pretty cool. I like the shape of it. I like the grills at the bottom and the way that the body kit's kind of flared out. You know, but the black and red, yo, that smashed it, guys. That's the way it should have come out. That's what it should have been released. It just looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I mean, you couldn't do that. I mean, you could take a body shell. It's so difficult to do it on such small scale cars to get the intricate lines that you're seeing on the back. And with that gloss finish, man, amazing, absolutely amazing. So yeah, I had to show you that one, guys. I know it's been out a little while, but you know, it wasn't really available in the UK. I've just come across it in the first one that I actually asked someone to bring that into the UK. He brought it from Europe. So, but yeah, okay. Just wanted to show you that, guys. Now should we put the little guy, the atomic guy, on there? Yeah, have a quick look at him. See what he's saying. That's like a Batmobile. Some man was crazy. So you can tell it's made to race. It's really low down. Look how low down that body shell is. Wow. And I think when I make my rarest Mini Zs, I'm going to put one on display. You can just get a good 360 without my big hands being all over it. Nice little look at the cars. And yeah, and it's not the same when you're doing it with the boxes, with the display case on, and when you've got the plastic box around the display case. For some reason, they're always dusty, man. I don't know what it is. I don't know if they're in storage for ages, but I always find them to be really dusty, so you're not really getting the full flavour of the car. So what I'll do is I'll take it out of there, keep it on its stand. It's nice to have the Kyosho Auto Skill collection writing, you know, while it's actually going on display. So I'll have that on there as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. But because the weather's getting better, guys, I'm so tempted to go out and start doing the big scale stuff. So anyhow, now one last thing. This is definitely it. Yeah. One last thing. My friend Hiro from Japan. I've been in contact with him. He's got some amazing stuff, guys. That, yeah. It's probably gonna be one more last Japanese thing order coming, and then that's it. Then we are done. Move on to other things, loads of other projects too. So yeah, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, guys, go for it, man. And we'll try and get some more RC Fever tuned up stuff coming towards you.